All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the GitHub, go to the GitHub repository, the data to DNA converter, and we're just going to download the full zip and put it under the desktop. Install, all is good, shrink that. So now we have the zip file. We will extract right here. And just for ease, I'm just going to drag this to my desktop and get rid of this file. All right, so then we'll right click this and we'll pull up an idle. And you can see here's the full code. And if you hit run module, that's where we can actually do some cool stuff. So get rid of this. And what we will say is, what is your input for this? We're going to convert this picture of this cow into DNA or a nucleotide sequence. So file, say where do you want? I want to go here, select my cow, boom, nucleotide sequence.txt created successfully in the root program directory. You can see it here. So we double click on this text file, and this is all the ones and zeros, the binary converted into a nucleotide sequence for this image. It's quite a bit of lines. And now let's say you have the DNA sequenced and you want to convert it back into a file format. If you know what the file format is, you can say I have DNA and it says file format. We are encoding 2. For this, it'll be .jpg. And it'll say, well, select the nucleotide sequence. We'll just select this one. Say open. It says decoded file.jpg was created successfully in the root program directory. And you can see it's sitting right here. So decoded file.jpg, we'll open it up. Open up our previous cow, and they are identical. And so there you go.